How to create a Wattpad account. Creating or signing up into Wattpad account is very easy and simple. Just stay with me till the end of the video. Without much ado, let's get started. First, install or download Wattpad application on your device with the help of Play Store or App Store. Tap open button to launch Wattpad. Now tap join for free at the bottom of the screen to join or sign up into the Wattpad application. On this section, you can either join Facebook or Google in order to create your Wattpad applications account, or you can easily enter all the credentials, including your username, email, password, birthday, and then create the account on Wattpad. So for now, let me enter all my credentials in order to create account on Wattpad. Once you're done with entering all the credentials, tap on the I have agree and read the Wattpad terms of service and privacy policy and check mark the box. Now tap start reading at the bottom of the screen. Now in the section to get the best Wattpad experience, you need to choose the options available here, that is I like to read or write or I like both. For now, let me tap on I like both and tap on the next button. You need to choose what best describes you as a writer. So let me tap on I mostly write for fun, and you can easily choose the option for no if you have not yet finished writing a novel. Now here you need to tell about yourself to Wattpad. So you need to tap on see or her and tap on the next button. Choose up to 3 categories here. And after that, tap on the next button again. You need to go through all of this deal, and if you wish to accept, you need to tap on accept deal button or else tap skip this deal button. To stay connected with Wattpad, tap next button at bottom of the screen and allow notification from it. Otherwise, tap on allow if you don't wish to. And successfully you have come to this home screen of Wattpad. That means we have created a Wattpad account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this section or video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.